Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dancing Traveler Stories. There are many interesting places around Bangalore for one-day trip. In this video, I will show you a hidden place which is just 1 hour drive from Bangalore. I will show you some more places to visit around this place. Please watch till the end. Now let's head to today's travel destination, Poshettalli Waterfalls, which is also known as Srinivasasagara Waterfalls. Poshettalli Waterfalls or Srinivasasagara Waterfalls is a great pick for one-day outing with friends and also family. There is plenty of space for parking. Poshettalli Waterfalls is basically a lake overflow. This is a very unique waterfall. There is a beautiful temple just opposite to the waterfalls. This beautiful temple is dedicated to Lord Lakshmi Narasimha Swami. People come to this temple to pray and organize small religious functions. When we visited, there was a religious celebration happening there. There is also a mini hall which is built adjacent to the temple. You will get a nice, mesmerizing panoramic view of huge Poshettalli Lake. I strongly recommend this place to all nature lovers. The view of Poshettalli Lake leaves you spellbound. This lake overflows and forms waterfalls, which is Srinivasasagara Waterfalls or Poshettalli Waterfalls. The view of waterfalls is so unique in this place. You can see how beautiful the place is in this video. As there is no much water, this place is safer for kids also to play, although you have to be careful as there is moss, which makes it slippery at certain places. As you walk towards parking, there are options for yummy street foods: pani puri, hot chili bhaji, yummy corn, bel puri, and tangy mangoes. Do visit this place and enjoy the nature. As I mentioned in the beginning of this video, here are few more places which you can visit while traveling to Srinivasasagara Dam or Poshettalli Dam. Kanive Basavanna, Boganandeshwara Temple, Isha Foundation, Kaivara, Mudenahಳ್ಳಿ, and world famous Nandi Hills. We will cover these places in detail in the upcoming videos though. Travel responsibly and keep the place clean. Hope you are enjoying my travel stories. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to share and subscribe.